how to play BeamNG Drive on your MacBook. I'm going to tell you how to play BeamNG Drive on your MacBook. BeamNG Drive isn't officially supported on Mac OS, but there are ways to make it work. The most reliable method is using a Windows environment through Boot Camp. If you have an Intel-based Mac, you'll need to partition your drive, install Windows, and then run BeamNG like you would on a regular PC. For M1 or M2 Macs, it's trickier. Your best bet is to use Parallels Desktop, a virtual machine that lets you run Windows ARM. You'll still need to tweak graphic settings for smoother performance, since BeamNG is a demanding sim. Once it's running, plug in a controller or just use the keyboard to explore its soft body physics and destruction playground. It's not plug and play, but if you're determined, Mac users can still enjoy crashing cars in glorious slow motion.